got two.
What you got there, mister? Just one?
No, he's got another one.
That's what I thought.
He had two of them.
Hey, Caesar, it's in here. What's in here? What's in here?
Who's this one from? You, Brad? Is it stupid?
What's in here?
To all three of them.
What's in here, bud? Go ahead, pull it out.
Oop.
Who's that, Lenny? Who's that? Pull it out. Good. Jimmy?
He gets kind of focused on one thing.
Boomer, do you want help? Okay, good. Oh my goodness, what is that, Boom? What is that?
That is Boomer's. No, that's Chase's there. Yeah.
What is that, Chase? Okay, Boomy, yours is next.
Chase is kind of something.
Boomy, this is yours. Look, Boomy. Oh my goodness, it's a chicken. Boomy. He took your chicken, Boom.
Boy, not like it either.
Oh my
Does
goodness.
it make a noise?
Squeeze
now?
it.
Oh! Boomer loves that.
Oh my gosh, Boomy, here. Take it.
Squeeze it at him. Make him... Let me see it out.
He's gonna take it here. Boomy. You want it? Chase. You want it? Somebody take it.
Boomer will eventually. It's just gonna take a while.
He's struggling. Valerie, we let him.
Does Boomer put you in mind of your individuals?
Yeah.
He does.
You put it in his mouth.
I think you get much closer.
And you remind me of ADHD.
Lenny, how many stuff do you have in your mouth right now?
Do you want it, Boomer?
Does Lenny have both of them in his mouth?
Yeah, I see that little hog, aren't you, honey? I hope you don't swallow one by accident.
Oh, there he goes. Sorta.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
no.
do it.
Was there a third one in there for my lamb?
There
Yes.
you go, Boomsy. What are you?
Hey.
Boomy, what you got, buddy?
Chaser. Levy, there's something in there for you, Lev. Come here, Levy. Levy. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Levy, this is
It
yours.
scares him. What? Surely he's belching.
This is yours, Lev.
Get Lenny. Give me that. Lenny, what you got there?
This
Give
is
me
yours,
that.
Levy.
Lenny, get that.
He's scared to death.
Letter T, Lenny, get that.
Come here, Lev. It's yours. It's yours.
Let me see it.
Boomer, what is Boomer eating right now? He left his chicken.
What's Boomer eating?
He's got a blue thing.